Searching for a 2007 Holden Commodore. This is the vehicle you've been looking for. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, a CD stacker, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. This car has separate passenger temperature controls. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Rest assured, safety elements are included to provide you with a secure ride. Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.